Are you looking to create a more sustainable and eco-friendly garden? Are you seeking a method of growing your own food that's in harmony with nature's own rhythms? If so, you've come to the perfect place. Today's exploration centers on the transformative world of permaculture gardening. We're about to embark on an enlightening journey, transforming your green space into a bountiful permaculture haven. 1. Unraveling the permaculture mystery. At its core, permaculture is a symbiotic gardening system that synergizes with nature, rather than competing against it. The concept, derived from permanent agriculture, promotes the development of lasting, self-sustaining ecosystems. By emulating natural ecosystems, permaculture enhances soil fertility, optimizes water usage, and fosters a thriving environment for all creatures great and small. 2. The fundamental tenets of permaculture. Before delving into the hands-on aspects, it's important to understand the 3 fundamental tenets of permaculture. 1. Earth care. Focus on enhancing the well-being of the soil, water, and air. This is achieved by minimizing waste and reducing pollution. 2. People care. Devise systems that cater to human needs, while also fostering self-sustainability and community resilience. 3. Fair share. Foster equitable resource distribution and curb excessive consumption to safeguard the environment for generations yet unborn. Abiding by these guiding principles, you can create a garden that not only flourishes, but also contributes positively to the broader ecosystem. 3. Becoming one with your garden. Where to start on this exciting journey? The answer is observation and interaction. Spend quality time in your garden, understanding how sunlight, wind, and water move and interact. Discover unique features and microclimates that can inform your permaculture design. Observe the existing flora and fauna, as these are valuable indicators of your garden's health. 4. Sketching your green masterpiece. Having observed and understood your garden, it's time to design, using the permaculture principles as your compass. Here's what to consider. Zoning. Segment your garden based on how often you interact with each area. For instance, vegetables and herbs, frequently needed, should be closer to your dwelling, while less interacted elements like compost bins or fruit trees can be further out. Layering. Create a multi-dimensional space that mirrors nature's vertical layers. Include towering trees, shorter trees, shrubs, herbs, ground covers, and root crops to maximize the utility of your space. Water wisdom. Design a system that captures, stores, and utilizes water efficiently. This could involve rainwater harvesting, swale creation, or a mix of both. Soil nourishment. Use composting, mulching, and cover cropping techniques to enrich the soil's fertility and inhibit erosion. Diversity. Cultivate a wide variety of plant species to promote biodiversity. Choose plants adapted to your local climate and beneficial for your garden's ecosystem, considering functions such as nitrogen fixing or attracting pollinators. Animal integration. If possible, consider adding animals like chickens, bees, or worms into the mix. They provide natural pest control, pollination, and organic waste management, helping close nature's loop. 5. Breathing life into your plan. With your comprehensive design in place, it's time for action. Start by preparing your soil, using methods like building raised beds, digging swales, or adopting no-till techniques. Then introduce your chosen plants, respecting the space each needs to thrive. Remember, your permaculture garden is a living entity, evolving with time. As it grows and changes, adapt and adjust your methods accordingly. This is where continuous observation comes into play. Watch how your plants and animals interact within the ecosystem, how they respond to the weather, and how they grow. This data will be vital for tweaking your garden for optimal performance and sustainability. 6. The role of composting in permaculture. Now let's discuss one key component of permaculture in a bit more detail: composting. By composting organic waste, you're not only reducing landfill contributions, but also creating rich, nutrient-dense soil for your garden. You can compost kitchen scraps, yard waste, and even certain types of paper. Once decomposed, this organic matter feeds your soil, fostering the growth of beneficial microorganisms and enriching your plants. 7. Companion planting. Companion planting is another fundamental permaculture principle. This means pairing different plants that benefit each other in terms of growth, pest control, and maximizing space usage. For example, beans, corn, and squash often known as the Three Sisters, are commonly planted together due to their complementary growth habits and nutritional needs. Embarking on a permaculture journey is more than just cultivating a thriving garden. It's about creating a harmonious and sustainable relationship with nature, contributing positively to the Earth's ecosystems. And while it may seem complex at the start, remember, nature has been working with these principles for billions of years. So equip yourself with these basics, let your creativity run wild, and make your garden a space that gives back to you and the environment. What's one change you're excited to implement in your garden after learning about permaculture? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.